Optical Kit. Refraction of light. Use various lenses with adjustable features to illustrate refraction. Dispersion of light. Disperse white light using prisms made of different materials. Image formation. Illustrate how images are formed with mirrors.
In the following, we are going to show how to use the Optical Kit app. In order to place an optical axis on the board, first click on this icon, then on the board. To place a light source on the board, first click on this icon, then on the board. Select which type of lens you wish to use for refraction. Select the lens if you wish to resize it or change its features. If you wish to change the material of the selected item, go to its local menu and choose from the available options. Click on this icon in order to display no more lines. With the help of this icon, you can display the angle of incidence. Use the slider in order to zoom in or out. If you wish to move the board, drag any part of it. With the help of the bin icon, you can delete items one by one. Selected elements can be rotated by their axes. To rotate the item, drag this icon. Select which type of mirror you wish to use for reflection. With this icon, you can enable or disable water medium. You can drag the air-water border by its right-hand side edge. Click on the home icon to clear the board. Click on this icon to illustrate the dispersion of white light. First, place the light source on the board. Select the type of prism you wish to use for light dispersion. Drag the prism to move it. Click on this icon to change the color of the background. With this function, you can illustrate image formation. Click here if you wish to display focal points of lenses. Click here in order to insert into mozaBook. If you wish to receive further information about our apps, do not hesitate to contact us.